I am Jarmo Eskelinen, Chief Innovation and Technology Officer of the Future Cities Catapult from London, UK. Well, we work in the domain of future cities, trying to make our cities better and grow businesses on the side. And the Internet of Things is one of the core technology areas for new urban solutions. So we have worked in the Olympic Park in London with Intel, using the park as a living lab. And one of the things we did there last year was to use sensors to monitor bats. And the reason for that is that the bats is a very strong indication of biodiversity in a city. So it was actually a very concrete way to measure the state of the environment in the Olympic Park, because the more variety of bats you have, the better the park and the nature. One of the things we are working with both in London and in the context of the Synchronicity project, which is one of the large-scale pilots, is the concept of high-resolution air quality monitoring. So how can we measure air quality much better to the level of few meters in the urban surroundings, and how can we translate that information to, for example, very specific route mapping for people with, for example, respiratory problems, that they can have a route mapping based on air quality, like a healthy air route through the city. Cities are full of older legacy systems which are inefficient and need sort of upgrading. For example, our water systems tend to leak millions of liters of water in the ground, which is costly and also damages the city. And with IoT, we can measure such problems and prevent them in advance, and therefore sort of saving in future investment of completely rebuilding systems. It's a jazz jam.